how to order free Venmo debit card. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Venmo app on your mobile. Over here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. After that, select the Venmo card option, which shows a card with a V icon. Then, over here, you will see information about the Venmo debit card. After checking the details, tap on the Get the Venmo card button. Over here, choose the color of your card. After that, tap the Next button. Then enter your personal details, including the last four digits of your social security number and your date of birth. After that, enter your address. Over here, set up your automatic reloads by selecting the linked bank account. Then, hit Done at the top left corner of the screen and tap on Next. After that, once everything looks correct, hit the Submit button. Over here, you will see a screen confirming your Venmo debit card is on the way along with the expected delivery date. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.